In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to stop music from automatically playing when your iPhone connects to Apple CarPlay. So you get in your car, automatically the music goes from your device to CarPlay, and you don't want that. So first things first, there's not really a native setting to change. There are a couple things you can do to eliminate it, but I'm going to show you an automation we can create. Go ahead and search for the Shortcuts app on your phone. It looks like this here. And then go down at the bottom and tap into automation. It's the check mark there in the center of the screen. Then what I want you to do is I want you to tap the addition symbol in the upper right hand corner. When you do that, there's a search bar at the bottom. Tap into the search bar and tap in CarPlay, like so. You should see where it says CarPlay. When CarPlay is connected, tap on that automation setting there. We want to make sure that is connected is checked, and then we want to run immediately. So instead of after confirmation, tap run immediately, and then just tap the next button in the upper right hand corner. Then once you're here, go ahead and tap the create new shortcut button there towards the top, and we want to search actions. Go ahead and tap into search actions. Type in the word wait. It'll have an hourglass icon next to it. Tap on wait, just like so. And then what you want to do is tap where it says 1 second. Change this to 3, 4, 5 seconds. Doesn't really matter. Just gives your car time to turn on, and just pause a bit. That way the next automation can run. Go ahead and search actions again at the very bottom. Type in the word play, and then you should see a setting that says play pause. Tap into play pause. Then it says play pause on iPhone, like so. We want to tap where it says the play pause and just go ahead and tap the pause option there. What this will do is every time that your car turns on, CarPlay is launched, instead of automatically connecting, the iPhone or device will wait about 4 or 5 seconds, and then it will pause on your device. So then what we do is we tap check to create the automation, and that way it's not automatically connecting to CarPlay. A couple of settings you can change on your device instead of creating the automation, but it will eliminate and cause issues in a couple other areas. Go ahead and go to your settings, go to general. Under general, go down to AirPlay and continuity, should be towards the middle section there. And a couple of things we can do here. Where it says automatically AirPlay, if you tap where it says automatic, you can change this to ask, which can become annoying, or you can change to never, which there may be situations where you do want it to connect, but I just wanted you to know that this setting is here. And then if we go back into AirPlay and continuity, the other thing is handoff. You can turn that off. Right there where the green check mark is, you can just disable or enable that right where it says handoff. Basically, this will disable your device to connect to audio sources. This would affect AirPods, CarPlay, and everything of that nature. So these settings are there. Just know that the shortcut is probably the easiest way of doing it, and you can create that shortcut in under a minute. So with that said, I hope this was helpful. I'll have some frequently asked questions and a pinned comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.